Hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday host for the month of April is the lovely, talented Becky, our founder of Mini Kit Monday. And her challenge to us is to Google the calendar of events and holidays for the month of April and select 3 or 4 events that is inspiring you to scrapbook a memory and use your scrappy supplies. For layout number 3, I was inspired by April 22nd, National Mother Earth Day, because recently I came across a photograph that I have not documented of my daughter-in-law and granddaughter having a beauty night, and they did mud facials. See how easy it is to come up with a photograph that will match one of those calendar events for the month of April. Now I am showing a close-up of the photograph, which I matted on daisy white cardstock from Close to My Heart. Then I also have selected various alphas from my scrappy stash for my title Mud Facial. I have this film strip die cut or thin cut from Close to My Heart. And then I have Maggie Holmes sticker sheet here. Can't remember what collection. Then behind that is these gold puffy hearts and elements, again from a Maggie Holmes collection. Next, I'm going to show you some chipboard pieces and some ephemera, again from various Maggie Holmes collections. I truly can't remember the names of the collections because they're just all together, because all of our collections work together. So we have some flowers and some succulents, and then like a library card. I have this pink bow, and that is not from a Maggie Holmes collection. I selected 2 Nuva Crystal Drop colors, and I will only end up using the one that is the pink color, which is called Party Pink. Then I have this mini distressed ink in pink from Tim Holtz, and my papers are from the Maggie Holmes Marigold collection. The next thing that I do is I take this tone-on-tone pink pattern paper of succulents that is approximately 6 inches by 12 inches before I started tearing all the edges. And in the end, it comes out to be approximately 4.5 by 10 inches. Now I adhere the daisy white cardstock to the back of my photograph, which I thought I had already done that when I showed you the photograph in the beginning, but I guess I apparently did not. Next, I take the bow pattern paper and do the same thing, tear the edges, and I forgot to pre-measure that before I started tearing the edges, so I have no idea of the beginning measurements, but the final measurement was 4.5 by 5. Then I inked all the edges using the Tim Holtz ink in Pink Flamingo, and then I dusted the edge using black ink from Close to My Heart, and I just love that effect. It makes the pink edge stand out more. Now I decided I wanted to add some splatters, so I reached for my Dana Wakley medium gloss ink in Carnation. Love that pink color. Then I will bring back the photograph, and you will see me also bring in that film strip that I die cutted out using the thin cut from Close to My Heart, and that green paper with the white or off-white hearts is from the Maggie Holmes collection, and I think it might be from the Marigold collection, but I'm not 100% positive. I tucked it under the torn pattern paper of the bows, but on top of the tone-on-tone pink succulents. On the opposite side was this black pattern paper, and it had that bunny rabbit, and I just thought it went well. Now for the library card, I'm only tucking a small portion in, and I wanted like the notebook edge of this library card to peek out behind my tone-on-tone succulent pattern paper. Now it's time to layer up my flowers. I'm going to put a cluster in the upper right-hand corner and the lower left-hand corner of my photograph, and I also ink the edges of those flowers with my black ink from Close to My Heart, and then I kind of rough them up using my fingers just slightly to give some dimension and to give that kind of real feel look of flowers. Because when you have flowers, they're not perfect. They've got dimension to them. I add some succulents behind the flowers, tuck those in, and then I will finish off my cluster in the lower right-hand corner of my photograph, and this is where I use 2 chipboard pieces from Maggie Holmes' collection. One is of a pink house, and the other one is this oval, I said circle, but it's an oval shape of a flower printed on it, and it also says love you, and then the outside has a gold finish on it, which then ties in with part of my title. And then you're going to also see me use 2 of the gold puffy hearts and the frames. I'm sorry, I'm jumping a little bit ahead of myself. While I am a little bit ahead of myself, let me remind you that Becky and Kathy's link to their channel is listed below in the description box, so go check out what they created this Monday, and the link to our Facebook group site is also listed below so that you can go check out what our members have created. And if you would like to play along, snap a photograph of your kit and each layout that you create and upload it to the April album, and you are automatically entered in to possibly be selected to win a gift card or curated kit. All right, back to my layout. So as you can see, I've arranged my flowers, I have added my gold puffy hearts, and then those frames where I cut them and tuck them under my succulent. Now I am using the Nuvo crystal drops in Party Pink in 2 locations, and I point those out here in just a moment. All right, now here comes the close-ups. I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, get out your scrappy supplies, and document those memories in a fun, creative way, and tell your story. And we will see you next time. Give us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to our channel so that we are inspiring people that you and I may not know. That is searching for inspiration on YouTube. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.